Now we're going to answer the question, why the t-shirt business? And, I never envisioned myself being in the t-shirt business. It was really not something I aspired to and not something that I thought would be very exciting until I found Merch by Amazon and I found out all the things that Amazon does for us, and all we have to do is upload a simple t-shirt design. Then I realized, man, this is so easy to do that how can I not do it? It requires so little time and so little investment that I was blown away, and I jumped in with both hands and both feet. So the reason I got started with Merch by Amazon is really quite simple. It's a very simple hobby business that can actually yield a six-figure income. In other words, with just hobby time and investment put in, you could generate a six-figure income. I know people right now who are generating six figures a month just selling t-shirts doing this Merch by Amazon business. I call it a hobby business because it requires so little time compared to other businesses. It could literally be done in your spare time, not even part-time. I'm talking spare time, because it requires so little time to really get your income going. Now, frankly, I never thought I'd be in the t-shirt business. My other businesses keep me busy enough, but when I saw this opportunity and I saw the genius of it and how powerful it was to be able to tap into Amazon's customer base, I just had to get into it. Now, another reason why the t-shirt business, well, every year over 2 billion t-shirts are sold worldwide. Now let that sink in. 2 billion t-shirts are sold every year. I mean, that's a piece of the pie that if it's made easy enough, I want to get a piece of that pie. And with Merch by Amazon, it has been made pretty easy. At least once a week, 89% of t-shirt wearing Americans put on a t-shirt. And by the way, I don't know any American who doesn't wear t-shirts. Okay, so you could probably say 89% of Americans put on a t-shirt at least once a week. I live in t-shirts because I work from home. I literally wear a t-shirt every single day. And people buy t-shirts without a second thought, and for a lot of reasons. For example, people buy t-shirts that express their personality. They buy t-shirts that show what they're proud of, what they want to really showcase in their life. They buy t-shirts that display their beliefs or their values. They buy t-shirts that are funny to them. Now, they don't have to be funny to anyone else, but they're funny to them. They buy t-shirts that they can show off to their friends. And they buy t-shirts that commemorate an event. Or just shirts that they think are cool. Or they'll buy shirts that show that they are trendy. Now, in the next lecture, I want to show you why it's so powerful to partner up with Amazon.com.